Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. And you can see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Let's see what's inside and test it out. Alrighty. Little guy. Alright, that's empty. Oops, sorry about that. Coming from jteman. Phone stand with Bluetooth speaker. That's pretty cool. Mic hands-free, Bluetooth speaker. Alright. Subwoofer, Bluetooth support. Green, black, blue. So there's different choices. Different colors to choose from. Let's see which one is this. There's the USB. Whoa. jteman. Alright, so you put your phone or tablet there. Oh, there we go. Got the grips right there so it won't fly anywhere. That's good. So you can watch a movie, do Zoom calls or whatnot. Conference calls, power button right there. Take a look at the bottom. Got the glides right there. There's usually some kind of tape to peel off. Oops. There we go. And that's good. So there's another one. Not too heavy. It's the perfect size. Put this on your desk. In your office. There we go. USB goes there. And put this right here. Got the phone. Turn it on.
Power on.
Whoa, talk.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, let's see. Connection. It's gonna be JT, where are you? Coming up. MH, nope, not that one. E-color, nope. Let me pause you guys. Alright guys, it's going to be called MH669.
Connected.
There we go. And now go on YouTube and test the speaker out. But you can use it for phone calls, watch movies on, play video games. If you have your controllers and stuff like that. Copyrighted. In about 30 seconds. We gotta wait till these ads move over because they got copyrighted music on it. There we go. Sounds pretty good. So you can have it like this for your Zoom calls. And they sound good. And you can feel the bass. Or you can have it like that. Yeah, you can definitely feel it. So, I mean, this thing sounds really good. Alright, YouTubers. Alright, there we go. Definitely check them out. jteman down below. Link will be in the description. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. This is a phone stand with Bluetooth speaker. So, pretty cool. And they got different colors, so bonus. Have a good night.